Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs here. Today, isi-share lang namin yung ulam namin for today. Nandito kami sa rooftop. And you know guys, here in India, they are eating as well malunggay stick. Meron kami ditong malunggay. Ayan o, ang daming bunga oh. So, Shama is with me. So, Shama,
hello guys.
I will get only the small one, yeah, not this like this one.
No,
this one,
not very thick one because it has seed. Okay. So you get little bit younger one.
But this one, yeah, this one is alright.
That one is okay. Yes.
So the way they cook here is totally different from Philippines. Anyway,
why in Philippines you don't eat this stick?
In Batangas we don't cook this. Only young leaves. But in northern Philippines, and I don't know in other parts of Philippines if they are cooking, but northern Philippines they are cooking. They call it pinakbet. I don't know.
Here it's
Ilocano people like this. But you know, you live in Lipa City for 2 years. We never cook this.
No, we just put these leaves only. This malunggay leaf. But I like the stick. It has a nice jelly inside, and it is very nutritious. It has value. Oh, it's gone down.
Gone down there.
We will collect.
How about this one, yeah?
Yes. You are expert.
This one.
Oh my God. Too many actually, guys. You can see up here.
All are matured.
Getting mature.
All are matured.
Because
this one is good, yeah? Small one?
that is, no, it will be bitter taste.
A little bit big.
Little bit big.
This one.
It is falling easily, yeah?
Yeah. So guys, on the madami siya kaya lang.
Oh!
That side.
It fall this side?
Check, that is downstairs. Look.
Dad? It is falling? Oh, Dad is collecting. Look.
This one. Be careful that your eye, huh?
Dad, careful. It will go to your eyes. Don't see up there.
So, what? This one, I think this is good.
Oh, yeah.
The thin one is bitter, yeah.
Very, very thin one is bitter and very thick one has a seed. It's very, very mature. So you have to select the... Look, that side. That corner. Yeah. These two. This is perfect to harvest. Careful. Oh, Dad. Wow. Dad. 2 more.
I think that's it.
Yes, I think so. Let's see.
So I think guys, let's see. You will cook with dal, yeah?
I am cooking with dal.
So let's see guys how Madam Shama will cook it.
So guys, this is my uncle house and this is the rooftop of them, and that is our house, next one. So we will cook dal. So see you guys with dal and malunggay stick. So guys, these are the malunggay stick, drumstick we have collected, and I'm going to cook with dal. It's Bimbo's one of favorite dish as well with dal. You like it, yeah?
With fried fish. And Nini's favorite
as well. Nine think it is jelly inside, so she like this. And I think so it is very, very nutritious. It will help. So see you guys with my recipe. Hello, good morning guys. For those who don't know what is dal, I want to show you. This is the dal. These are the seed. You can see here. We always store the dal, and whenever we need, we cook it. So I'm taking approximately 1 cup of dal. Yes, dal seed. And what I will do, I will wash it thoroughly. So guys, my dal is ready after wash, and you need some water. As we do with rice, you need water for dal to cook. I am adding some green chili without cut. otherwise it will make more spice. And I am adding some peanut inside, and I will cut this and add the tomatoes, and we will boil this in pressure cooker. 4 whistles you have to do. Hello guys, now we are going to cook this dal with malungai stick. We call it drumstick in the English. So let's see. After a long time I'm cooking this. What are the ingredients you need? As we boil the dal, you need dal, then you need drumstick, you need onion, any shape you can cut, and these are the curry leaf, fresh curry leaf from our garden. This is the chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, and this is sambar masala, but this is optional if you want or no. Salt, and this is mustard seed, and I'm going to add little bit mild sugar to give little bit sweet taste. Okay guys, so our dal is boiled and it is ready, but you have to make sure you mix it up very well. If you have like this or with the spoon as well, you can do. I'm going to add some water and make it more liquid, like soup form. Yeah, this is manual one, and I'm doing. So guys, I'm going to start to cook dal. It's very easy recipe. Once you add every ingredients, just it is cooked. In the oil, 2 to 3 teaspoon of oil, I put some this mustard seed. Yeah, let this mustard seed to pop up. It will give you noise. Okay, it will give you noise.
So it started to cook now, this mustard seeds, yeah?
It start to pop up. You can hear the noise. Then I will put this curry leaf. It's called real Indian tadka. And then when you do this step, you have to be very careful guys, yeah? Curry leaves. And I'm going to add onion at this time, because oil can little bit come out. What I usually do, I cover the lid, but because I have to show you, and you can smell the aroma, very nice. And this point I will add these drumstick as well, malungai stick as well. It is washed and it will cook along with this.
You remove the skin of this malunggay, yeah?
Yes, I remove the skin.
Okay.
So let it to be cooked for little while. Okay. So guys, our malungai stick, drumstick, is half roasted with this onion and this curry leaf. Yeah. Now you have to all the powder. This is cumin seed powder. I'm adding 1 teaspoon. Chili according to taste. Yeah, we eat mild, so I eat half teaspoon only. And this turmeric powder. Alright, and you have to mix it up this masala very well.
Oh my god, the aroma. Because of these curry leaves.
Yeah. Don't let this masala to burn. And now I'm going to add this
Dal with peanut.
inside.
Yummy.
You like dal, yeah?
Yes.
This is like Gujarati style dal. Everyone is doing different type of dal.
But when we are in Philippines, we never cook dal. Or
We don't have dal there.
Okay.
Lentil. And because this is half cooked, it will cook with this soup now. Yeah. At this point, you add little bit salt. Okay. And you add little bit sugar just to give mild taste. Just little bit.
It's normal for Gujarati to put
It should
sugar?
be, yes.
Alright.
Gujarati people eat little bit sweet. So, some put jaggery, yeah? And now, I'm going to add this Madras masala. Lastly, you have to add this. This is optional, guys, because we have availability.
About
So-
black pepper, you're not putting black pepper,
No, I
yeah?
put red chili.
Alright.
So our dal look very delicious. You can see. Look. If you want watery, you can do watery. If you want thick, you can do. This along with this, I cook rice as well. You can see here, and we will wait for this to be cooked.
For how many minutes?
Until it get boiled.
Alright. And
Okay.
then it's cooked.
Yes, and we are going to have some fish as well. I marinate Indian style. Okay, guys. So let's cover our dal for little while on the slow flame until it get boiled. So guys, our dal is ready. You can see it is boiling, and along with this boiling, malungai stick will cook. And Indian dish never complete without adding fresh coriander leaf. So we are finishing our dish with the fresh coriander leaf. You okay, Shania?
Yes, I like the smell.
Look, she like the aroma. You alright, Shania?
Yes, I like the smell.
Yes, it's the dal. Very nice, guys.
Hiya.
Hello, guys.
Hello,
So
guys.
we are going to have our lunch here with the malungai stick and dal. You can see very good combination. I cook rice as well, and there is a fish.
There's fish. And we have fresh mangoes. And what is this?
Chapati, obviously.
Ah, you...
Every day
okay.
morning I'm cooking chapati. This is our Indian bread. Every morning I'm cooking chapati. You can see.
So, okay, let's start eating now. And I want to taste this malunggay stick again.
Yes.
Yummy.
So guys, kain na. So, masarap ang ulam for today. This dal with this drumstick malunggay.
Nice.
Yeah. And this fish.
It's very good combination. Fish.
Yeah, this fish.
And
But
dal.
guys, I prepared, yung mga isda sa Batangas because this is fish pond, yeah? Fish from fish pond. Compare sa Batangas, marami kami dong isda like tambakol, galunggong, tulingan, hiwas. Mas masarap siguro kung dal with tambakol,
Because Philippines based in sea area.
especially Batangas.
So,
We
yes.
have so many kinds of different variety of fish.
Fish. When I was there, I was buying. Yeah.
Yeah.
I have this isdamen. Isdamen.
Yeah, it's the man. Fish man every morning.
He comes.
Isda.
He come Isda and I say, hello Isda, come here.
And it's cheap, yeah? Cheap.
70 rupees kilo like this.
Yeah, and
100 rupees.
And
sometimes-
he will clean for you,
He will
remove
clean.
all the intestine.
Yes.
Okay guys, tikman na natin tong drumstick ni Nay. Look.
What do you want?
Look.
Oh, Shania like it.
Okay, yeah.
That
you
is
put
her favorite. Because
Mm.
she think inside there is a jelly.
Jelly.
Open it like this.
Yeah, you hold Nine, ha?
I'm opening like this.
Okay guys, kain na tayo.
Nom nom nom.
Masarap ang dal.
Shania.
Masarap ang dal, tapos mayroon pang
Careful, careful.
fresh coriander.
Well done, Shania. This is very nice, guys. Oh.
Especially with fried fish.
Shania like this.
Mm.
This drumstick give different flavor, yeah?
I know. Where is my here? I like this one. Nakatikim ako nito nung I think when I was in Nueva Ecija. Pero sa Batangas, never ako nakatikim ng garnay. Puro malunggay yung leaves.
Big drumstick as well. I like it.
Same variety this malunggay in Philippines, yeah?
But guys, we are eating drumstick. We have different recipe, not only dal.
Yeah,
We
I know.
eat the drumstick masala, different with curry, different soup with drumstick. So this is.
The other one, mom who's cooking, yeah? She will put masala
She
inside.
will fill up masala inside and she will fry the drumstick.
Yeah, it's
And-
nice. It's nice.
Yes.
It's nice.
If you have little bit
Very
soup along with this, you like mango. And now it is season of mango, so we are having everyday fresh mango, guys. But I think so it is not ready yet, yeah?
It's not that sweet.
Sweet.
It's May and June.
Yes.
Too many varieties of mango.
Okay.
Okay guys, shoutout nga pala sa mga sa mga Hong Kong, Singapore, our viewers from Malaysia, Thailand, and also here in India. Okay? And we have also Sri Lanka, Pakistan, and all our viewers from
Middle East countries.
Middle East, Saudi Arabia.
Yes. And we have from Canada, UK,
Yes, and America.
America,
Viewers.
and especially from our Philippines.
From Philippine viewers, and also Australia, New Zealand.
Yes, New
Australia, New
Zealand,
Zealand, and Hawaii.
Hawaii.
Sa mga taga-Hawaii, marami ring
A big shout out for all this country and the viewers. Be safe, guys. You take extra precaution. Recently we recovered, so we advise you to take extra precaution.
You know,
Yes.
yung ambience here now in India is not the happy. You can feel outside that too many cases. But anyway, what we can do?
Yes,
So
here
just-
is little bit
Down, yeah? You down.
Critical
People, you
situation.
can see that they are very worried as well outside.
You can see after 4 o'clock, they are shutting down everything here,
And
guys.
police patrol is
Patrolling, yes.
patrolling.
Yes.
So anyway guys, kain na. Tatapusin lang namin ang aming lunch with Nina. Nina, come here. Okay? So thank you for watching Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs. Please continue to support Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs. Nina, say
Shania, say
please
bye-bye.
subscribe to our channel. And take care for all you guys, yeah?
See you.
And
Bye-bye.
please don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.